Hey Legacy family, Judi Nield here, your marketing director with a word of the week. Today's word is prepare. There's lots of ways to prepare for an upcoming event, whether it's a listing presentation, buyer's tour, or even an open house. So focusing on open houses this week, here's 5 ways that you can prepare for your upcoming open house. Log in at my.legacyrea.com with your preferred business email and password. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password. Let's get the word out. First, you want to make sure that your listing came into your BoldTrail account from MLS. To quickly check that, click on your listing section and go to My Listings. Your new listing should show up here. If it doesn't, there is a call to action for you. First, click on the home screen using the Legacy logo or click Dashboard. Then click on Company Cloud. Scroll down to MLS IDX Form. This is an individual agent agreement request for MLSs that require it. There are 3 MLSs that are all lumped into one that do have restricted MLS access. That MLS is Bay East, CCAR, and Bridge MLS, all restricted. So complete this quick form so your listing will feature on your website. Enter your name, last name, email address that you use with MLS, your phone number, your MLS ID, and your Legacy website, which is your first name, last name, .legacyrea.com. Enter the broker information and enter the MLS that you're a part of. Then click Submit Form. Please note that this takes 5 to 10 business days to get approval, so it's very important that you submit this form early on. Once you have access to that listing in BoldTrail, it's time to get promoting. Click on Company Cloud and click on CoreFact. Because of our data integration with CoreFact, your MLS listings will automatically funnel into CoreFact. Click on Postcards, Just Listed, select the listing, select the size you want to send out, and select the template for your open house. Sending this out early will help get the word out and more people to attend your open house event. Now let's promote your open house on social media. Click on Boost Your Most Powerful Assets. Boost now. Get started. Enter your MLS ID for the property. Then click Next. Change the template to Open House, and if you want, you can change it to Agent Branded. Scroll down and click Next. Enter the date and the time of your open house, and even add a second date and time if you'd like. Then click Next. There are lots of packages. The cheapest is a 3-day open house ad promotion for $59. It'll get a maximum views of 1,000. Click the link and enter your credit card information. The benefit of this Property Boost program is that any lead goes right into your BoldTrail account. There's other ways to do this as well. From the home page, click on My Listings, click on the listing you're interested in promoting, and click Boost Property. The same steps appear. You can even click into your listing and click Boost Property. Again, the same steps appear. Another option is available to you, and it is slightly cheaper. However, leads do not funnel into BoldTrail. You'd have to manually enter any leads in the system into BoldTrail. You'd click on the Company Cloud and scroll to Boost Facebook Ads by LoneWolf. Here you would log in with your username and password and click Create an Ad. This allows you to change your photo, description, text, and change how much visibility you'd like to see for that listing. So you have a lot more flexibility in the Boost program itself. You can see that the price is $79 if you don't change a thing, but that was for 4,000 ad views, whereas the Property Boost only gave you 1,000. Well, you can scroll this all the way down to the lowest it goes, which is 2,000, and there's the price change, $39 for this great ad. It also allows you the ability to edit the text. To edit the text, though, gotta get a little tricky. Change it to a new listing and click Edit for the ad creative. This allows you to enter whatever text you'd like, not just the MLS description. Enter in you can change the property photo or change the entire content that's already listed, including twilight open houses, weekend open houses, or even future dates of open houses. Then you can save it, update it, and check out. Let's keep promoting. How about a flyer for your open house event? People don't like being handed pieces of paper anymore. So why not have them scan a QR code that takes them directly to your website? On the listing landing page, click on More Actions and click Generate a QR code. Then save this image to your desktop. Click on the company cloud and scroll down to Canva Designs. Open up the QR code Scan Me flyer. Click Upload and simply drag and drop the QR code to the middle of your flyer. Enter the contact information in your photo, and now you can share it by downloading a copy of this PDF, printing up one design and displaying it so that anybody that comes to your open house can see all of the photos and additional details right on your website. And number 5, download the Open House mobile app. On the dashboard, click Download Mobile App and scroll down to the Open House app. This is a wonderful resource to generate leads at your open house. Log in with your BoldTrail login and password. Select the property using an address or MLS ID and confirm. Identify different features that you want to include in the app when somebody walks through the front door of your open house, and even add a hashtag. Then launch the app. You have to create a PIN and confirm the PIN, but then it's available for anybody to register at every single open house event. And bonus, all the leads entered go right into your BoldTrail account. And after they register, they get a thank you note and it refreshes. It's a pretty cool program.